In this video, I will show you how Minexa.ai turns any website into usable data, making it easy to scrape job listings from employmenthero.com, even without coding. I am going to the page where the data is already listed and ready. From here, just tap the extension icon and we are ready. With Minexa open, click I'm on the right page. It analyzes the content blocks and detects the job listing data. Pagination found. Every run goes through all pages automatically to gather complete job listings. At this point, select whether the list is enough, or if Minexa should open every results detail page. Continue is all most pages need. Advanced if a button click or input is needed before results show up. The highlighted block is all Minexa needs. Click Create Scraper, and this one-time analysis is enough to extract from similar pages. All fields are here. Pick what you need like job title, location, date posted, and salary. Extraction stays consistent forever with Minexa. Developers, click API Request. The train template targets exact elements, fast and cost-efficient at any scale. Validate and save the setup with one click on Complete Configuration. Pagination detected automatically. Your scraper will collect results across every page. Click Complete Setup and the scraper is live. Optionally set a schedule before you do. Click Run. Minexa starts extracting straight away. Every value here was pulled from the exact right spot on the page, including job titles, company names, locations, and posting dates. This accuracy holds even across thousands of listings because each field is locked to a precise position during training, preventing mix-ups and ensuring reliable data. Hit Export and save the dataset as an Excel file to open straight away. Minexa works for anyone who needs data from the web. For developers, it replaces an entire scraping stack with a single API call and consistent deterministic output.